Video 528. We're on part E of the Fractal brushwork. We're going to look over the 528 deltas because, well, we're on video 528. So in the illegal stuff section here, these are monkey wrench macros. These are invalid names that I might guess in the future, and this is the correct value. Down here in data by system, in the global data for Eddy game, inside of our Eddy game editor state, we've added this NO4 flag. So Eddy mode NO4 on. NO4 stands for no overlap, of which there are 4 modes. So 0 is off, and then 1, 2, and 3 are different kinds of on. In keyboard master functions, within keymask down editor, we have added bindings for the O and P keys. The O key right down here is going to go backwards through the NO4 modes. The P key is going to go forward through the NO4 modes. You can see Eddy right here is a shorthand reference to Eddy Game Editor. And then down here, we're going to clamp those values. Make sure they're between 0 and 3 inclusively. And that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. And then geez, there's a lot of footnotes. Here's what we did in this video, right? So we created the no overlap mode flag, and then we also added those keyboard bindings. If you want to see what that actually looks like in the code, you can always go to the technical demos playlist and also go to video 528. So there's 3 video 528s. You are on the advanced video 528. If you want the intermediary 528 that takes 10 minutes to explain the video rather than 1 minute, you can go here. And once again, just technical demos, then you can go here. You can also email me here. The source code is right here. Like, subscribe, send money to the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game with proximity mines that have directional blasts. So like and subscribe.